Sarah know about this?
Come on, then, what do you want?
Girl could want a lot of Jack. Maybe. One last night of passion. Doubt if Sarah will do all the things I can do them all again tonight. Plus do new things. Well, I